Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present our final project for the subject ICM562, where authoring for content management. So our final project that we have developed is the HARA movie database collection. My name is AMJAD binti AZLAN.
My name is FARHAN bin Abdul Rahman.
And my name is FAJRI NAJWAN bin NORIZAN.
Proceed.
Okay, let's start with the first one. For the first one is a business process requirement. Previous slide. For the first one is topic. For this, I am going to brief a description of our project. For this project is the process of how we propose to create website and database by applying them with horror movie content. This website will make the user easy to retrieve and access to find all the horror movie that release. We use PHP to create a website interface to make the content easily to add or edit the content that uploaded by the user. All the user can be admin as long as they register as our customers. And next is a user of the proposed system. For this, clients are the user that used to like or have interest in our movie. And the second one is collection that our horror movie post can be saved and displayed for the user. And next is objective for our system. The first one is make all the horror movies lover able to access the movie easily, either they want to update, edit, or upload the new content. Secondly is to make a storage space, reduce and save all the collection in electronic database. And the third one is to give access to the user worldwide as long as the user keep connected with the internet. Next slide.
Role of team members. I, as a project manager, I plan the whole project. I make sure they follow the guideline at the timestamp. I also manage my team members and how their progress and how are they doing.
And next one is Muhammad Farhan.
All right, me.
Content developer. Yeah, for this,
I'm as a content developer. Yes.
Roles is his role is about to plan and develop the content to the system, and the next one is to manage and solve the problem of the system creation, and the last one, his task is to make a test and analyze all the system problem before move to the next step on creating the website. And the last one is me as a system developer. For my task and role is to design and develop the existing database. And the next one is before I release the website, it still need to make a double check and modify for the last time. And the last one is to create and edit the reports of the system and send it to the manager. Next. Okay, for the next one is business process flowchart. For this, this is how my group organized from start, and we complete our website. For the first one, we start the process and make a proposal. We gather all the idea and concept of the project. And next, we make a discussion with our group whether is we going to disagree or agree. If we agree the statement and or our idea, we create the RD and then create the database, collect all information about our movie, create a website, and next is link our PHP with localhost and make a changes if there's an error. If there is an error, we have to make a change, right? So next is make sure if it's working or not. If our website is working, we're going to improve and add some details if necessary. And then after everything is done, we're going to complete and use the website. And next slide, please, database.
Okay, thank you, Fajri. So right now, let me continue the presentation. Okay, moving on to the UID of database. As you can see about the picture, there is a latest post and the latest users. The ID for the first one contain of 4, and also the title, the author, the post date, the image, the content, the updated, status, and also tag. About the latest users, it contains ID, username, the first name, last name, email, password, and its role. Next slide. Okay, this is a database in our PHP MyAdmin. If you look closely, there's 3 different sites. Just we have 5. Sorry, the ID, the username, first name, last name, email, and password. So all the section, we have included all the related information. Next. About the post database, we put the ID, the title, author, post date, image, content, the updated on, status, and also the tag. Each of this section, we put the same tags, which is the horror and the thriller. And the author, for the first one, is AMJAD, and the 3 other authors is admin. Next.
Okay, now we're going to show you the functionality of our project. As you can see, this is our front end of the system. Okay, let's log in. So I'm going to use the role of super admin. So here are we logging in into the admin panel. As you can see, this is our admin panel. It has a dashboard. It shows all the posts that we have posted and all the users. Also, as this is the post that been posted by super admin only, meaning that every admin has a different post. Okay, let's see. This is all the posts that we have been posted so far. We can check it here. We can see posts to check whether there is a mistake or not, and posted by who? By admin, and on when. We can also see the date, the tags, whether it's published or not. Okay, if we want to edit, we click here and we can edit. So let's say I want to change the tags. Thriller. Okay, so I will update the post. So it says here post successfully updated. So how do we know if the post is successfully updated? We go and visit the site. We see here. See? It's already updated, meaning that the post is already updated. So if we want to add new posts, we just here enter the title, post the image, enter the text, and post the content. Here is we can view all the users. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 users, and the super admin can control the role, meaning that if a person is a user, the super admin can change to and make it the admin, and they can also delete the users. So far we have 1, 2, 3 admin and 2 users and 1 super admin. So if we want to add new users, so for example, so We can choose the role whether we want to admit a user, so we'll use it as user, email, and the password. So you can add the user. New user successfully added, as you can see. So how do we know? We can view at all users. See, Fahmi already been added. So how do we can see the profile? Okay, so here is my profile right now, super admin. We can change the password, current password, and we'll update it here. So in our front end, we can see about us, the functionality of the system, our post. So once we posted all the material, it will be appeared on our front end. So we can see, read more. And for the search, we can try to search horror. So if we search horror, the text here, it will connect it to the text we have posted. So for example, I search for sci-fi. The platform will appear because I have put the sci-fi text in the admin panel. So what about the user? If you want to register, they can click here. So let's register a new user. So the password. Successfully registered. So how would you want to know if it is really successfully registered? We go to the dashboard, go to user, view all user. As you can see here, Fakrul is the new user. We can make him as an admin, change to admin successfully, and we can delete also. So let's see the in the database whether the information had been successfully transferred or not. So let's see post. As you can see here, all the post is available here. What about the users? Users also here, Fakrul and Fahmi had been added successfully into the database. So what about if we want to delete the users? Okay, so for example, I delete this. Are you sure? Okay, delete it. User deleted successfully. So if we refresh this, there's no more Lukman here. Okay, what about we want to add new posts? So for example, The Conjuring. Save. So we go here, put The Conjuring 2013 image. Okay, text horror. Thriller. Content, for example, put here. Paste it here. Okay, you can publish the post now. It's a news posted successfully. It will be published after admin approves it, meaning that before it was published into the front end, the admin had to approve this first. Okay, how to approve this? We see here, we have the option to delete or publish. So right now, the status, the new movie we had key in is still in draft. So how we want to put it? First, we see post whether the material is entered correctly. We go back and we publish. So are you sure you want to publish this post? Yes, we click OK. And the post is published successfully. We refresh this and you can see The Conjuring by admin. So, and see here, this post. There is this, The Conjuring 2013. And after that, we can log out. We log out, we will be redirected to our front end web page. Okay, that's all for our presentation today. I hope Dr. Pretty satisfied with our project, and if there are any mistake, we are open to any criticism. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.